It's a holiday week, so trying to do a little bit of work around the house and joined today by MK.
Hello, nice to meet you.
And we're going to try to turn the laundry room into a greenhouse. We have no experience. So this is not a guide. This is just us trying to make a garden.
Yeah. Yes.
So this room is a little bit small. It's under 2 by 2 meters, and it's not the easiest to work in. It's definitely not easy to film in, so later I'm going to be behind the camera. First, before we get started though, we need to make the area for planting, and we've got some planting boxes. Then idea is to try and get the boxes up along this wall here. So we've got 5 boxes, and I need to build some kind of a planter to hold everything in. So let's go and find some. So I'm going to try to find some scrap wood and then head down to the kitchen and start building. So I'm going to look for some scrap wood and then head down to the kitchen and start building a stand for the planters.
I want to try to cut.
So you should practice a little bit first, I think. Top of the handle. That's the safety. Don't. Keep it up first. So push the safety down and then pull the trigger.
Trigger. Trigger. Trigger. Wow. Okay. Trigger. Push here and trigger. Trigger. Oh no. Okay. I can do. Trigger. Trigger. I did. Satisfied. Okay. Trigger. Trigger. Perfect, sure. Trigger. Perfect, right?
Yeah, perfect.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm perfect. Well then. need. Mom, first time, so. Okay, now I want to try to plant vegetables. I need beer. Okay, next. We have now shishito. I don't know what's called in English, but we have shishito. And what's this? Make space to plant. Just regular sized tomato and mini tomato. Mini tomato and okay, so and eggplant. And first I want to cut. This is we love red pepper, chili pepper, and this is yellow and red paprika. I want to use this instead of small stones. Last one is what? Pepper, just green pepper. That's it, we have. Vegetables. Vegetables. Okay, next soil. Vegetables. Plant this time. Eggplant and chili pepper. Vegetables. Chili peppers. This time I will now plant tomatoes and paprika. So finish vegetables. Last one is shishito in Japanese. Shishito. I should put more. So that last one is green pepper, piman in Japanese. Okay. Finish. Thank you. Vegetables.
So we managed to finish somehow. It's actually 2 days later, but we're done.
Today I worked so hard, so I deserve to drink good IPA. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Vegetables. Okay. Try. No, it's okay. Okay. If you want to see more project with me, please push like button and subscribe and leave a comment, please.
And we'll still be doing our printer projects and some other projects. And the idea is we'll try to maybe automate the greenhouse. We'll find a way to combine the 3D printing and the greenhouse together.
Bye.